Oftentimes when a snowstorm rolls in, the temperature goes up. So right now it's 17 degrees Fahrenheit. So about 27 degrees warmer than yesterday. All right, guys, this is the road to Bettles, Alaska. It's a 26-mile ice road. It's only open for about a month each winter, and it's made out of ice. Check it out. This is my first time on this road, so this is gonna be a little bit of an adventure. This road does not get plowed very often. If this snowstorm gets worse, I could end up getting stuck in Bettles. Ooh, ooh. There's a lot of bumps and the visibility is not great.
Cold.
Oh, there was a ptarmigan. All this diffused light, they're really hard to see before they fly. Oh man, I'll have to keep an eye out.